Yeah, see, I don't even like to say God is nothing because God is everything. Because nothing is an illusion. You know what I mean? There is only everything. There is only everything. Nothing is an illusion. That's right. So only everything can exist. So God is everything, period. You know what I mean? I mean, if you're doing a comparison, you can say, yeah, God is nothing and everything at the same time, but nothing only exists in a 3D reality world. But really, there is no such thing as nothing. There's always just everything. So, yes, God is everything. And yeah, God is a pagan title, or God is just a title. But for the viewers to understand in simpler terms, the Almighty Creator, the Father, is everything. All right? There is never nothing. There's always something going on in this universe. Always a constant. There is never nothing. So remember that. God is always everything. And the everything is within you, in your own self. God is everything. You are everything. The Creator is everything. And everything is within you, within your own mind. You are the Creator. All right? The victory is always your mind. Remember that. Peace out. It's your boy Classic again, once again, bringing you the truth within yourself.